Say when me feel for sad. Say what you feel for sad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tristan. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 11? Happy birthday, Tristan! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Just Poo Poo, make your wish. 1, 2, 3. Make your wish. Good job, baby.
Star,
Welcome to 11.
I wish you God's blessing. All His grace and His mercies continue to be with you as you grow in grace and be a fine boy for Christ.
I hope you grow to listen.
You're hoping grow for listen?
Yeah.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to another KeneishaSays.
Hola, we at the trampoline park, so
Well, you're
meet
black
in there.
You're black not Tristan. Come on here. This is the birthday boy. We're all here. Troy and TJ is in the other vehicle. So we're all here at Flight Adventure Park here in Manchester. We had already, guys, we woke up to snow this morning. And we already sang happy birthday for him. So now we're going to have some fun. Originally, he had wanted his friends or 5 friends to come. But he did not work that out properly because I told him what to do. So that didn't work out. But we should have a couple of like his grandmother and uncle and stuff
aunties.
that should be coming. So we're going to go in and see what it's all about because we've never been here before. Well, he has been here because of a birthday celebration for his best friend. I've never been.
Ayana, and I never been here too.
So we're gonna go check it out and see what it's all about. So let's
go.
go. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and share. Come on. Just put your tongue on. Look up, boy, you managed too fast. I can't do that. See, no, me look for you. What happened? Them block you from when?
No, I was over there. I wasn't gonna play soccer, but I was still just got
Where are you going? For a while, Tristan is here playing soccer. That's all he's stuck on. He hasn't done anything else. Savannah is all over the place with TJ. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're just here chilling. I'm just observing. I'm not doing anything today because my sister came this morning, so I'm not in the best mood. But anything for the kids, right? Right now, they're just having their blast. And after this, Tristan said he wanted Popeyes, so we're gonna see if we can get Popeyes after this. So let's see how it goes.
I can literally feel my bone.
Alright, come on. Feel the bone where?
Like in here.
I cannot jump from the bottom. When you're leaning back and everything go down into your body. There's momentum.
Alright, let's go sit up for a second.
Yeah, I'm gonna get something to drink now.
Drink some just Savannah.
What's up on it, bro?
We're going to drink some of the slushy before you left.
I already got it. Yeah. Come on, let's go. I just got it.
You want to share with Tristan?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll drink coffee.
Make this smoke stuffy.
You want some for you, Tristan, TJ?
Why does it have to be fizzy?
You don't like it?
One more time, one more second, I'm good. I feel like I just got a whole bunch of regeneration.
Yeah.
Yo, calm down a little bit. Calm down a little bit.
And teaching godmother not here yet.
They have wings here.
I'm gonna turn this thing on.
Huh? Alright guys, so we're back home. We stopped by Papa's. TJ had to go. As you saw, TJ was here. He came down for the little celebration. So we left him. He's gone. We just reached home. We're about to get some food to eat. I am tired. I have work to go tomorrow. So I'm gonna go get something to eat and go chill so I can get some rest. Alright, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment down in the comment section, and again, send up some happy birthday for my baby boy if you haven't already done so. Alright guys, until later, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for sad. Say what you feel for sad.